So this is something I've been waiting in the mail for a while. Even though we got this a while back, I haven't actually bothered unboxing it because we haven't had the need for it. But now we actually got a video shoot next week. This is going to change the way we do a lot of the videos. Even does mic as well. It's pretty cool. 3.5mm. Yeah, simple, but looking forward in using this for our video shoot on Monday. The reason why this will change is because in the past we always find a bit fidgety and a bit limiting, and there's always cable running inside the dental practice, and the dentist might be rolling around in their chair and we actually hit our cables, and every time I see that, that's like painful, right? To damage the equipment. But I think this will be really good because they can just clip onto their belt or their pants, and then the mic will still be running inside their shirt. But yeah, it's going to be really big game changer because of that. Less restriction in terms of distance or cable just tangling around. So yeah.